Boys and girls, we are going to make our shape flower today. And I know some of these projects seem like we're only doing art and having fun with art, but I want you guys to know that we were also doing math. So if you made your flowers and we sorted the flower parts, that was also math. That was practicing sorting. And now we're going to do this shape flower, and this is also practicing our shapes, practicing our colors, and practicing counting, because we are going to count how many shapes we used to make this flower. Okay, so I want you guys to know we're not just having fun doing art, we are also working on math skills, and some of these skills will help you when you get into TK and kindergarten. Alright, so if you see my paper here, I colored already half the bottom brown, and then I colored the top part blue for the sky and the ground. And instead of gluing little tiny seeds, I went ahead and colored my seeds on the paper. And then I'm going to do it sideways so you can see more of it. So if you remember, what is the first part of the flower that grows? After you plant the seed in the dirt, what grows first? The roots. And this shape is the roots for us today. Can you tell me what these two shapes are? These are triangles. And what color are these triangles? Orange. And how many triangles are here? 2. You guys don't even have to count them because you can see that it's 2. So I'm going to glue my roots down. I'm going to glue it on one of these seeds here. So there's a root. And there's a root. Now, what is the next part of the plant that grows? What grows next? The stem. And we're going to use these shapes to make our stem. And what shape are these? Rectangles. Good. So we're going to glue those rectangles right to the roots. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We used 5 rectangles for the stem. What color is the stem? Green. And is that a dark green or a light green? That is a dark green, and you'll be able to tell right now when we add the leaves. We're going to use these for the leaves. And can you tell me what shape these are? What are these shapes? If I hold it here and I hold it here for you to see, what shape is that? That is a diamond. Good. And how many diamonds do we have for leaves today? 1, 2, 3. And what color are those leaves? Green. And now you can see the difference between the dark green and the light green. And we're going to put our leaves on. 1, 2. Do we want to put one of our leaves down here by the roots? No, because the leaves are above the ground and the roots are below the ground. All right, I'm going to do the middle of my flower first. And this is the middle of my flower. What shape is this? Circle. And what color is this circle? Red. So we're going to glue on the middle of our flower. flower. And I'm gonna put it right there. And now we're gonna add, do you know what those things are called that are on the flower? Remember in our story, there was a part of the flower that was falling off. Do you remember what that part was called? Petals. And we're gonna use this shape for the flower petals. What shape is this? Oval. And what color is the oval? Pink. And we're gonna glue those pink ovals onto our flower. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So our flower has 7 petals. And I saw some of you do this already, and you can do it on this project also. You can write the parts on the actual part, or you can write it on the paper. I'm going to try and write it on the paper. So these orange triangles are the roots. R-O-O-T-S. And this long dark green part is called the stem. And these 3 light green parts are called the leaves. L-E-A-V-E-S. And what is this called at the top? Flower. F-L-O-W-E-R. And what did we plant to make this grow? We planted a seed. And I'm going to hold this up so you guys can see the words also. So, we planted, it might be backwards for you guys, I can't tell. We planted a seed, and then the roots started to grow, and then the stem started to grow, and then the leaves started to grow, and then the flower. And that is what you guys are doing today. You are using shapes, and you are counting the shapes, and you are telling me the color of the shapes. And you can also write the words, and if you know all the letters and the words already, you can start sounding those letters out with your family. All right, see you next time. I can't wait to see your flowers. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.